you. Betty Bright are women candidate for president. Will answer all questions.
Mrs. Bright.
Mrs. Bright. That handsome fellow in front.
We hear you and two other party leaders reached a three-way understanding.
Yes, three-way understanding. Everybody understands why new General Electric soft white three-way bulbs are more reliable. This improved base makes firmer contact. Look, low for watching TV, medium for discussing politics, high for reading.
Well, that's one way.
One way? No, sir. Never put a one-way bulb in a three-way socket. We stand for